Hey everyone, it's Happy Dude, and today we're gonna install a winch on my Ford Bronco. And with we, I mean me. So I went with the Pro Scale winch from Traxxas itself because all the accessories are included, even this remote. If I bought another winch from another company, then there's no remote included, and it is difficult to get it to work with a remote. So then you have to buy all other electronics to get it to work, and eventually it would get more expensive than this. So it's just better to buy everything from the same brand. Alright, let's open it up. Here's the winch, the hook, and we're gonna see how long the cable is and how strong this winch is. And this is the remote, and here we have cables, more cables, and the antenna. Alright, first let's take the body off. Alright, problem number one. I cannot install the winch right here because my sound module is there and I really want that. So we cannot install it on that plastic bumper. It's way too small. And I didn't want the bumper from Traxxas itself because I don't like the look of it and it's in black and I want chrome. And I found a very nice one. It's from the brand SSD and it's not made out of plastic but high grade aluminium, and it's chrome plated. Look at that finish. Wow. Very strong. And also this is aluminium, it's not plastic. So let's fit this on first. I think it's best that I install the winch first on the bumper because otherwise it's going to be a problem to get that on there. But first we're gonna test the winch out. Luckily this power Y cable was included with the kit, so that makes it a bit easier. I already made some extra power cables for the power light module and also the sound module, and now we're gonna add another thing to it. I hope this ECU doesn't explode. I don't really like the look of this, so I think I'm going to solder that my own way off screen. Now it's just for testing. So let's connect the winch. Alright, now it has power. There's a button here. Do I need to press it? And then press the remote. I think there are already batteries in there. Just remove this plastic. Let's see. Channel 1 2 1 2 2 seconds. Nope. Alright, time to read the manual. Oh no, wait. I did not connect the battery of the car. You idiot. Let's try that again, shall we? So 2 seconds. 1 2. Oh, now it works. So you just have to press this button for 2 seconds while there is power on the winch. And then it works. So up is down and down is up, so it's actually the wrong way. So if I press this button right here, you can release the winch, and I'm gonna measure how long it is, and then I'm going to roll it up the correct way. So the cable is 140 centimeters long, or almost 1.5 meters. Let's roll it back up. I hope the winch will fit on the bumper, but I will need to remove this piece of plastic right here because it's interfering. So, problem guys, if I install the winch like this, then the holes don't line up because the engine hits the bumper. You see, half a centimeter short. So I need to turn the engine around, but then of course the cable will need to go over the winch, which looks pretty stupid and ugly, but it's the only way because I don't want to cut the bumper. And then we have another problem because these holes here are bigger, but I will need to use these holes right here, and they are smaller, so then the screw doesn't fit, so I need to drill it out. God, why does nothing ever fits? So it did not fit at all. So I had to drill a few holes to make it fit. I just eyeballed it and I was straight in the hole.
That's what she said. Michael.
Lucky shot, or maybe I'm just very skilled. Anyway, I can only use 2 screws to secure the winch because the other holes are just at the corner of this metal piece where the winch is on, so it's not possible to drill a hole there. So I hope it's strong enough with these 2 screws in place. It seems to be very secured in, and also when you put force on the winch it will pull against the bumper, so I think it's secured enough. Alright, time to remove the front bumper. It's a very long screw, so I'm gonna use the power drill. Luckily it does fit in the chassis. I'm gonna place the remote for the winch right here on the transmitter, so I can still operate the throttle and the steering while I'm using the winch. I'm gonna decrease the transmitter and also the remote, and then I'm gonna install some 3M double-sided tape. So the remote will never fall off on its own, because that 3M tape can hold to 35 kilograms of weight, and it can resist against water. Alright, let's test the winch out. Oh no, we hit a dead end. Let's pull the winch out. So as you can see, the winch can lift the truck up on its own, but as soon as we hit the wall, the rubber tires will stick to the wall, so I'm gonna give it some help. And now it's stuck. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If it did, please give it a like and maybe subscribe to see more. And don't forget, you can always give a small donation. It really helps the channel out. And you all have a nice day now. Bye!